Greetings everyone, welcome to Ritwik Roushan YouTube channel. Well, are you a prisoner of your brain? Is your brain stuck with the same negative thought and hindering your daily life? Here's what you can try. Well, to understand what I'm going to teach you in this video, you have to understand the brain and the universe. Everything in this universe is constructive, and the one who goes against it will definitely be in trouble. For example, when you get cut on your hand, your brain doesn't ask you if it should repair it. It starts working and soon you have your skin repair. What does this shows? It means without even your permission, it's doing what is constructive. So if you are thinking negative, you're actually going against the universe. But here comes a question, how not to think negative? Because you are not thinking negative, it comes automatically. Yes, you are absolutely right. So to tell you how not to think negative, I will tell you with an example or a story. Well, suppose you have a child who gets a knife in his hand and he starts to play with it. What will you do as a parent? You will ask him to keep the knife down? He won't listen. Definitely not. You will try to snatch? Oh no, not at all. He can get hurt. So, how to take the dangerous knife from the baby? Well, the answer is simple. Show him an attractive toy and he won't even realize that when he left the knife and when he started to play with the new toy. This story says a lot. Our mind is like a baby and negative thoughts are like this knife. If you try to keep the knife away, you will actually hurt yourself badly because you cannot snatch the knife, because negative thoughts are very dangerous for you. If you try to just keep your mind away from it, it will actually go on thinking about it. So what you can do, you can show your mind another attractive toy. By toy, I mean the thing that you enjoy doing, or the things that you love, or the things that you like to do. There must be a lot of things. Just think about it and you will get a lot of things that you can actually do, and you can show that to your mind and you won't even realize when your mind left the old negative thought and started to enjoy the freedom. Just try to focus on things you like or you used to like. There are certainly a lot of things, I'm sure. Or maybe you can just to take an experience, try something new, and you will see how quickly you recovered from the old negative thoughts. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.